Hey guys, it's Mary with Mary Ann Boutiques, and I'm here with Sarah.
Hi.
And we're going to do a floral swag tonight. I'm going to try to get this up just a little higher.
Yeah.
Most of us in.
Yeah.
Sarah's going to help me read some comments while I show you how to make a floral swag. So earlier today, I got some twigs. That's all they are, is twigs. Nothing special about them. I've got them to about 2 feet long, and then I take them in the middle. If you have twine, you can put that on there. I just had this handy, so I used it. So I've also got, what I'm going to use today is some fern, and then I have some berry things, and I have a few off-white flowers, and then some kind of pink flowers. So this is going to be more like a spring/summer swag. Can you remember my?
Yes.
Yep.
All right.
So first thing I'm gonna do is start cutting some of my ferns. Get all of my greenery on first. So I'm gonna start cutting.
Love it. My grandma, his name was Fern.
Fern?
My great grandma, yeah. Fern Arch.
It is an older name. I don't hear very many people called Fern anymore.
Yeah, and Opal. I had an Opal.
Opal.
A great grandma Opal.
It's a pretty name.
Yeah, I think my cousin would probably use them. She doesn't know what she's having. She's due in August, and she's waiting to know what she's having. So I'm like, Spencer's killing me.
Yeah.
We're having an online baby shower for her because she's in England.
I saw something on social media the other day, and someone was flying, and they were dropping this pink powder all over in the plane was dropping this pink powder, and some guy goes, "Do you think they're taking this a little far?" I was like, yeah.
There's so many different things.
They never used to do it. Like, we didn't even know what our kid was going to be.
Yeah, you're like, potluck.
When it pops out, that's what we got. Ask Becky. She came home in a little boy's outfit. Poor kid.
Isn't that crazy? You don't know what you're having, but now you can tell everything.
Yeah. These are the worst clippers ever. Sarah, you can have that other pair. These are just not doing anything. They're not even clipping the wire. There we go.
Oh, those work perfect.
A lot better. Yeah. So we got some clippers, getting the ferns cut. So I'm going to start placing some of my ferns in here strategically. Just kind of pushing them in here. And then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and
is it plugged in?
Yeah. And I'm going to come in with my hot glue and just place a little bit of glue right here on the fern that I just put in there. So I'm going to do another one down here on the bottom, and I'm just going to stagger them back and forth, adding a little hot glue as I go.
I broke out the hot glue gun.
Yeah,
I was fixing everything.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and everything that needed to be fixed, I was fixing it. I was like, I'm gonna get everything done.
I love my hot glue gun. So I'm just adding these in here. I'm getting them, I'm layering them, so I want them at different lengths. Put some up here. And then some.
And I hung up all the... Hi, Nancy.
Hey,
Good
Nancy.
evening, ladies. How are you doing? How's your weekend?
We're a little early today, so
yeah.
I've moved my time slot up to 7, and I think I forgot to tell everyone.
No, you told them. You told them on the...
I put it on the post.
Facebook.
But I don't think I told them last time I was live. No. So they'll catch up with us.
Yay!
How are you doing, Nancy?
How are you doing this weekend? This weekend seems... Weekends always fly by.
Yeah, they do.
But at least I get to sleep in because my daughter's off school, so I don't have to wake her up.
Could you hand me that hot glue over there?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Both of them?
Yep, I got them. So I'm just going to kind of keep doing this till I get them all in here. This one has a little bit of wire on the end, and I want it to stick up a little more, so I'm just going to kind of wrap the wire around the vine like this. Bring it back up top, and then I'm going to glue it. So it's double security right there.
Woohoo!
And then, yeah.
Double troubles.
Hold on. So it was Trying to figure out what I wanted to do tonight, and it was either this or patriotic, so we went with this. I think it's going to be pretty.
I can't believe May is almost over.
I know.
It's like, dude,
We're almost in June.
Yeah.
So I've got some really pretty flowers we're going to use tonight. Add a couple more of these down here.
We went to church earlier.
Hello.
My kids love singing church songs. Love it. She stayed the night with my mom last night because she just loves staying at my mom's lately. She's like, Mom, Grandma, can I stay the night?
Yeah.
And I'm like, go ahead. And she was singing The Breath in Your Lungs.
Oh, yeah.
That's my favorite song. And so she sings it, and Oh Glorious Days is hers. And I guess she was singing it all. She'll just randomly sing in the car. I was like, oh my God, I love you.
That's sweet.
I was like, you're the best.
So, hey, if it's your first time watching today, even if you're watching replay, just say hello. Let us know where you're from. Do a little roll call. Tell us where you're from, what you're doing right now.
Yeah.
I'm just adding a little more of this greenery in here to make it longer on both sides. We didn't want to cover up all of the twigs, but just some of them. And so then I've got this pretty, they're like berries. They're just very pretty. I'm going to stick these in here on the top. I'm going to give them a little bit of a three-dimensional look, so I'm not laying them directly flat. They're kind of popping up a little bit. Gives that three-dimensional look. Adding a little glue in there. So how have you been, Nancy?
Yeah.
Anything new with you?
I know Steve's calling bingo, and my mom's and Kim's at bingo. I think Steve's addicted.
Yeah, probably.
And got my mom a little bit addicted. She wasn't going to go today, but he talked her into it. Because she went Friday, Saturday, and now today. I'm like, dude.
Bingo.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to take these florals here, and I'm just going to start cutting them off right here.
Me and Way are going to go to bingo, because Way wants to go to bingo. Maybe take Sammy and Ben.
Yeah. So, and then I'm going to take these and stick them in underneath my centerpiece here.
But it's 4 hours. You're basically there for 4 hours.
And then I'm going to have it come a little bit to the side like this. Yeah. And then I'm going to put this one in over here. And the trick to this one is I'm sticking it in, but then I'm going to bend it like an L shape. So it's got like a 90-degree bend.
I love this. I love these Chotskis. I call them Chotskis.
The berries.
Yeah, berries.
Berries.
Berry Chotskis.
Berries. And then so I've taken this one and I'm going to stick it in again just a 90-degree. So I bent it at 90-degree so you can see the bed. Yeah. Then I want to put a couple white things in here just to give it a little more natural. Yeah, so it doesn't look all pink. A little bit. And then I have this sign that I'm going to add to it. But first I've got to tack on some ties to the sign. So I'm just going to put a little hot glue on these. Let this sit for a minute. All I'm using is some pipe cleaners and some hot glue, and then I'll get one of my thin staples and put on here. So let that sit. While that's sitting, I've got this. It's kind of got a neat little, I forgot what those are called. That's really cute. I'm going to let it come up over here on this side. Kind of even things out. So again, it's got wire edged. I can't get it to tuck into anything, so I'm going to wrap it around the vine.
Yeah. I like this because it's like very pretty.
It'll turn out cute. Should turn out cute.
Oh yeah. Oh well.
Okay, put that in. Like this in.
Finally visited my grandsons last weekend. Been a long year, Nancy said. Oh, that's good. How they doing? It has been a year from, I don't know. It started.
Where are your grandsons at, Nancy?
And how many grandsons you got?
So I'm going to make a loop out of this one. I want one tail longer than the other. So all I'm going to do is a loop. It's going to be simple looking. Can you hand me the red and white scissors?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. I know my kids miss my mom, and they were even away from her just for a week.
Yeah.
And they're like,
Or when she was in
Grandma! I'm like, oh. My mom said she's going to finally take Zion to go sleep over too, and Amara.
Yeah.
I'm like, woof. Give me a break, but woof. She's got a handful.
Yeah.
Zion, he can listen. Zion, Amara, she listens. But man, when they're together, they're
Yeah.
almost 3-year-old and a 2-year-old. Woof.
So I'm going to tie this in here, and then I'm going to have one tail hanging long like this and one on the other side. But before I tie that in, I want to get my sign in here.
Minnesota, and she has 2 grandsons.
Oh, nice.
How long did they get to stay? How long did you get to see them for?
It's really probably great weather up there in Minnesota right now.
It's hot out here. I'm like, dude, I had to turn on my air.
And so this ribbon is a crushed velvet ribbon.
I do love
It's
this
super
ribbon.
pretty. Yeah.
So
It
soft.
is pretty. So we'll give that a minute, and then we're going to come in with the sign. As soon as it dries, it's going to sit, and the sign says, "Love is all you need is love,"
Aww.
just like the Beatles song.
All you need is love.
Yep. And it's going to sit just like that. See if it's still needs a few more minutes, and I'm going to get a little staple. Maybe, I'm not sure what I did with my staple.
I'm forever misplacing something in my house.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, didn't I just have that? And then my
Yeah.
husband asked me where his stuff is, and I can find his stuff, but I can't find my stuff that I'm looking for. I'm like, ah.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Oh, hi, finally, pretty, Kim said.
Hey,
Keeps
thanks,
freezing, can't hear you. Well, I know you can't hear us because you're at bingo. You should turn this
Nice
off.
try, Kim. So I've got this, it's kind of like a floral,
Oh, the whole weekend? That's good. When do you get to see him again?
this is
Nancy?
kind of like a floral, romantic kind of
Yeah.
thing that they use in weddings. So I'm
Isn't
going to
that
set that right
wine?
in the middle. Huh?
Or wine. Like they usually put grapes or something in it.
But it's got the grapevine look, but it's
Yeah.
a kind of it's usually used in weddings. And
Okay.
that's where I got it, was from
Ooh.
a wedding thing. So I'm just going to set it in here. It's got a nice look to it. So
That really
Kinda-
pops with
yeah,
that.
I'm going to tie this in
With
first
the
before I
pinks and
tie that
stuff.
in.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of going a little bit crosswise across the middle there.
I can't. I love this rooster.
rooster's a
I
good-
keep seeing him and he's like so cute.
Yeah, he's a cutie.
I don't really like roosters, but
You know?
that one's cute.
I'm a rooster fan. I like chickens. My
Poor chickens.
liver wall signs, I still like them.
Yeah.
So how you doing
So
tonight,
pretty.
Kim?
The
You
whole
winning?
weekend, Nancy said.
Oh, nice, Nancy. I'm so glad for
Yeah.
you. How old did she say her grandkids were?
She just has 2, but she didn't say the ages.
Okay. Are they real little or are they bigger? Like teen, preteen? Or are they more like in their...
I'm getting Kim's late. Kim's
Grammar
comments
school.
late. Yeah.
Yeah, I think
hi.
there's a little lag tonight.
It's probably.
So I'm
It was
just
lagging
tying
on my internet too.
this
at home.
sign underneath and twisting the pipe cleaners together.
Oh, so cute.
Then I'm going to do it over on this side too. So
I know Sammy and the kids and my brother were over today. So I'm like, woo! Chasing down kids. Sorry, I was chasing them. We took a walk to the gas station and it was really hot.
Yeah. It is hard.
5 and 7. Oh, so that's a good age. Well,
good that
any
you get to
age
spend
under
time with
13 is good. Just kidding.
I know when your grandkids, they're always good. For
Yeah.
you. Like they'll give mom and dad a hard time, but they'll be good for you.
Oh man, my kids are always good for. They listen to grandma more than they listen to mommy.
Yeah.
I think they're more scared of me than they are daddy, though.
Oh, yeah? So you rule the roost?
Yeah. Sometimes they're like, Daddy's mean. I'm like, well, he had to be mean because you didn't listen. Can you see me? Yeah, Kim, I can see you. We've talked to you.
She said there's a lag on the comments.
Typing.
So.
Oh, she said type. Hi, Kim. How are you? Are you winning?
So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of this one. Just put some glue there.
There. Hi, ladies.
Hey, Kim.
She keeps saying hi.
Can you say hi to Kim for me?
Steve is
Mary
calling.
says hi.
Mary says
I might just add one more of these in.
hi.
Probably put more in than I had planned on, but that's all right. And this one's going to hang down a little bit lower, which
She
is
said,
nice.
Steve's calling. I said, yep, I told her. I said, Mary says hi.
So we're going to just hang this down, put a little hot glue on
Hi.
it.
I think she meant hi, but she put
Yeah,
hi.
I typo all the time.
Me too. Thank
So-
God for spell check, the
Yeah.
fast checker. But I talk on it, and sometimes it comes out like some other stuff that you're not.
I know.
I'm like, ah.
I do the voice texting a lot.
Yeah.
It's not good. It isn't. So we have managed to do a 24-inch swag tonight, and I will give you guys a close-up. I do think that I want to put one more rose over here over the rose buds.
Ooh, that is so pretty.
So I've got these light sprays here. Now that I'm looking at it, I think another flower. You can't go wrong with these. These beds are just beautiful.
Mm-hmm. I love this. You have to use coupon on Saturday, Sarah. Okay. Okay. So I guess me and Way are going to Bingo Saturday.
There you go.
This Way's like, I want to
Stick
go
that in,
bingo.
we'll glue it in. And so now we'll get a better look at it. So starting from the top, you can still see the twigs popping up.
I like this.
I will put a hanger on here, back here, so it can hang high on your door. And it's got the sign, all you need is love, and a bike. And then I've got my little,
Very pretty,
loop.
Kim says.
and then some more of the florals down on the bottom. Easy to make.
Super
Easy and
cute.
fun.
And simple.
Thank you guys for watching. We will be on Tuesday night at 7 a.m.
7 p.m.
7 p.m. Sarah's might be on at 7 a.m. I'm going to be 7
I'm like,
p.m.
Now that my daughter's out of school, I won't be on.
Well, thank you guys for watching.
Bye, guys.
Have a good night.